Imagine a planet that learns, evolves, and perhaps even thinks like a living brain. This isn't science fiction but a metaphor that challenges our views on intelligence and life, a call to see nature's complexity in a new, almost sentient light. In our human brain, billions of neurons interact to produce thought. Now, imagine a planet where geological shifts, weather systems, and the pulse of deep oceans work in harmony, forging a distributed network of energy and information. Could these natural rhythms be nature's version of neurons? The Gaia hypothesis has long suggested that Earth behaves as a self-regulating organism. While not a brain in the biological sense, its feedback systems, volcanic activity, atmospheric dynamics, and ocean currents might form a loosely connected network reminiscent of a grand, planetary mind. Consider the emerging science of complex systems, where simple interactions give rise to astonishing emergent phenomena. Just as individual neurons combine to create consciousness, the interplay between Earth's physical processes could lead to a form of global intelligence we've only begun to imagine. If we dare to think of a planet's brain, symbolically, each tectonic shift, storm, or ecosystem collapse could serve as a signal, part of a vast, dynamic dialogue that governs the planet's health. This network might not be alive in the typical sense, but it echoes the intricate processes we often associate with thinking. Some visionaries and science fiction authors have toyed with cosmic-scale cognition. They imagine worlds where electromagnetic fields or even the collective memory of ancient landscapes form the neural pathways of a giant, planet-wide consciousness that quietly watches over its inhabitants. Such ideas urge us to reassess our definitions of life and intelligence. A planet's brain might not be confined to biology but could be a poetic blend of physics, chemistry, and ecology, an ever-adapting system where the line between mind and matter blurs. While we may never find a literal brain hidden beneath the crust of a planet, this thought experiment inspires us to appreciate the profound interconnectivity of our world. Perhaps the pulse of our Earth is its own kind of wisdom, a silent conversation woven into the fabric of existence, inviting us to listen and learn.